Hello, hi, my name is Samuel Izerza for the SE channel. Thank you for tuning in, subscribe, and share as much as you can. And everyone I tell, and say this to my closest friends and even everyone, get out there and buy yourself vitamin C, vitamin D, you know, uh, take zinc tablets, good for the immune system, okay? Also, tonic water, okay? I'm not getting paid for that. It's got quinine, all right? I drink about a quarter of a bottle there, and just wear a mask in some high risk places. I mean, can't go wrong with that. I mean, the virus is real. I'm telling everybody. I know a couple of my friends who had it, and thanks to hydroxychloroquine, were saved, and it did work. It does work. Anyways, I found this is all strange. How Florida just spiked up, especially in the red state, and God knows what's going on there and who's in on this, but it's impossible. It says Florida reported 100% positive COVID-19 test. How could you have something 100%? I mean, everybody that came in had a positive test of the coronavirus or the China virus. I rather call it the China virus, COVID-19, fancy name, but it's the China or the Wuhan virus. That's what it really is. So Florida reported 100% positive COVID-19 test. This is the USA Today. Credit to them. That is wrong hospital system. That's the hospital system is saying it's impossible. I've been saying that. My friend in Florida have been saying that. I have, somebody very close to me who have parents in Florida. They're all confused. They couldn't even believe this. So it says the Florida Department of Health, its daily report lists multiple laboratories throughout the state, many of them small testing site with 100% positivity rates. But Southwest Florida dominant hospital system said Wednesday it is incorrect to say 100% of their labs is positive, which is true. There's some sort of scam going on here. I mean, are there? Okay, let's just read it. The Lee Health Hospital System is reporting that its laboratory testing of potential COVID-19 cases have shown an overall positivity rate of 18%. So it's not really 100%. It's really 18%. And obviously, the media is running on this. Yeah, it's 100%. Everybody's getting tested. All the young kids, people are dying. Blah 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 blah, etc. etc. Like I said, the virus is real. Maybe 90% of you or 95%, nothing will happen, but 5% for some reason, if you have some sort of pre-existing health, um, you know, uh, you know, things are bad. I mean, it attacks the lungs, it attacks the brain, um, and like I said, hydroxychloroquine helped two of my friends too. Thank God for that. So 18% is the real number, not 100%, despite the state reporting showing that all the people coming in for testing or some of the labs have, the novel coronavirus. So everybody that's coming in, positive, 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 it's impossible. It's just impossible. Statistically, it's impossible to have anything 100%, 90%, even 80%, maybe 50% or 40%. 18% is a livable number. While it seems statistically improbable, the states reported have shown all negative all positive test results from labs since it began releasing comprehensive daily. Something's up with the Department of Health here. Issued a statement to Florida media blaming the labs. Is it the labs for the incorrect reporting? I mean, are the labs in on this whole scam? It's impossible. It's just totally impossible. What DeSantis should do is actually go out there and investigate this. They have to investigate it. I mean, who's in on this? Like, why are they scaring the hell out of the Floridians? The recent days, the Florida Health Department noticed that some of the smaller private labs weren't reporting negative test results data of the test. Why? I mean, you get all these conspiracy theories. Why? I mean, they want to keep this going. Maybe they're getting paid by the vaccine companies or some of these drug companies. Who knows? Who knows? The department immediately began working on those labs, ensuring that all the results were being reported in order to provide comprehensive. But the question is that are they, is the media going to report it? Because right now they've been reporting just spikes. Okay, the thing is that even if it was 100%, which is statistically wrong, which I know something is wrong. Um, well, anyways, I don't want to get into the details too much. I just want to just focus on the story here. The State Department of Health started producing daily coronavirus reports March 16, including results from 42 labs, 29 which either reported 29 labs out of the 42 labs reported 100% positive. Okay, so or 100% negative tests. Lee Health Labs first showed up in the daily summary report with 3 labs: Lee Memorial, Gulf Coast, Lee Health, Coconut Point, and Lee Memorial Hospitals, reporting a total of 5 tests between them all positive. So these labs here, Lee Memorial, Gulf, Lee Health, Lee Memorial Hospital. Anyways, they should be investigated. That's all I have to say. We're aware, report of the Department of Health shows 100% of Lee Memorial Hospital tests were reported. Lee Health spokesman Jonathan said in a statement on Wednesday, for the health and safety of our community, we have prioritized transparency throughout this pandemic. We have been accurately reporting our positive and negative test results to the Florida Department of Health, and we are working with the department to resolve this discrepancy. How could this be so wrong? I mean, is it the Department of Florida, that's in on this, or is it the labs that are sending in first positives and then the negatives after? I mean, it's all backwards here. Little said that if they report only reflects tests done by Lee Health Labs and not results by thousands of samples taken by the mobile sites. Lee Health Labs have processed a total of 29,557. Of those, 5,251 have been positive and 24,206 have been negative. Are we going to see this on CNN? Probably not. For a positive rate of only 18%. So it's really the real number is 18%. Yesterday processed 638 tests. Of those, 182 were positive. Look, it's still high. It's not, The state report, which appears to show cumulative data through July 13, lists Lee Memorial Hospital testing twice with different positive rates of 100%. Anyways, it's all screwed up. Anyways, I'm just going to show you like something a friend sent me. This is a friend at Facebook send me this, so I'm probably going to repost it. Okay. Now the real figure is 18%, but it says 33 labs in Florida busted for reporting 98, let's say 100% positive test of COVID-19 or the Wuhan virus or China virus, when the rate is really at 9.8 and media was silent. That's what she writes. Okay. What's crazier, I personally know 2 people. This person is a friend on Facebook in Florida who were registered to take 2 tests, didn't go, and received their test results back positive. See the scam? I also have a client in the States, and his daughter works in the ER department as a nurse in Indiana. She was wondering how there's so many positive tests. She took a swab of water and it turned positive. If you think for 1 second of how serious or whatever COVID, the same government, okay. Anyways, food told you this, cigarettes, blah blah blah, and all that. Anyways, I just wanted to show you how this. There's a lot of things going on with this positive thing of these testing kids. Obviously, there's something going on here where why why labs are just showing positive tests, not negative tests, and why only the stats of positive tests are coming out. Obviously, we all know the answer. Okay, it's either to scare the public. They're waiting for the vaccine. Literally, they want people to stay in their homes. Yesterday, I went out to play baseball last night. I was playing softball last night with my friends. We were all careful. We used sanitizers. Most of the time, we stayed away. We didn't even touch the bag. We made little circles around the base, so we don't have any contact. The umpire, was behind the fence. I mean, come on, we got to get out there, live, man. I mean, stop staying in your cages and being scared to death. So you got to get out there and live, but just be careful. Wear a mask. If you go to a bar or if you go to a restaurant or something, and there's thousands of people in there, just wear a mask. That's all. In your own home, you don't have to. I don't. When you're driving, you don't have to. Outside, I see people wearing masks. They say it's airborne. How? I mean, how could you catch it? Show me proof. Show me proof. You know, just wash your hands everywhere you go, and just use common sense. That's all. Anyways, my name is Samuel Izurza for the SE channel. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe and share as much as you can. And all these results, the real number is 18% positive COVID-19 test result. That is the real result coming out of Florida. Take care. God bless.